What's going on, YouTube? Another project going on right now. Want to give it a brief explanation so I won't bore you guys again. I'm 3D printing this slow boy trailer for my Tamiya truck right there. I want to get into this video because I'm here to, you know, if you're on a budget, you know, and you want to have fun, this is, I think, my answer to it. I know not everyone has a 3D printer. I mean, there's affordable ones out there, but I want to give it a quick topic of why I'm doing this, because, like I said, keep it on a budget and, you know, reasonable price. I mean, it's not metal, but it's 3D print. But I got these files from the internet. I'll put a link in the description of where I got this little boy at. It does not come with the instructions. I did contact the one that designed, the person that designed this, and he said it's pretty straightforward on how to put it together, and so far so good. I mean, he is right. It's not that hard. I did just put this lip right here. It came out in black. I'm about to show you out here, right here. The parts that came out in black. These are the rims, all the 3D printed rims. It all came out in black. I did just start painting these. I don't want to bore y'all. I mean, it's just common sense. Just put them in my paint booth, paint them with different colors, whatever color you want. And like I said, I'm not here to bore you guys. I just wanted to give you guys you know, quick build, quick review, see how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. It looks like it's built pretty good. 60% infill in all these if you guys are 3D printing enthusiasts. I mean, it's well put together. I mean, it looks good. But anyways, what I want to get to is, I want to get into this build because if you buy one, like, you know, I'll show you. If you buy one, I mean, they're expensive. I mean, to me it's expensive. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not trying to sound cheap, but look at that price just for the trailer. Now this is on eBay. Horizon Hobby, I believe, has one that's about $800. Same thing. I mean, they're made out of aluminum, and I guess, look at that one, $1,500 right there for that one. I mean, I guess, you know, to me it's pricey. I'm not gonna lie to you, and especially if you guys are doing this for fun and on a budget or whatever, you know, just to keep the hobby fun. And plus, you get to 3D print this, and you get to build it. I mean, come on, man. Like, you gotta have some fun with it. You know what I mean? Put it together the way you want it. You could put lights in it. See right there? I did mount that back part, and I mounted these little skirts on, but that's about it. I haven't done nothing major. Just painted it, put this on, and paint it. That's it. I mean, I have parts everywhere. Got the axles right here, and this is the control for the back. For the it has where are they? Oh, there they are. It has, you know, the back skids, and like I said again, right now I am just painting these. Nothing major. I will show the step to build this right here, step by step on to build it, but right now I'm just painting it briefly. I did 3D printed in my Bamboo Lab X1 carbon. Probably my best purchase I've ever made in my life. I did have a cheaper 3D printer. Like I said, if you don't have to buy this, because this is pretty pricey, you can start off with a 3D printer, like an Endure or whatever, Creole T, whatever they call it, about $200-300 per the printer. I mean, it'll print decent, but it will do the job, in my opinion, if you do the settings right and set it up right and everything like that. But like I said, I 3D print now a lot, so I needed something really good. And I mean, this thing is phenomenal. If you have the money for it, absolutely buy yourself one of these. Ridiculously nice. I love it. I love it. Love it. I mean, this company, love it. They don't even sponsor me. I'm not sponsored to do this. Trust me, I'm not. I'm just telling you my honest opinion. I love it. So, sums up the video real quick. I'm gonna continue painting. We're not putting no build. I'm not putting these together. I will show you guys me putting it together, and take it from there. So yeah, take it from there. Yep. Sorry folks, I forgot to mention why. Okay, so all about the budget ride. I showed you the trailers, 800, 1,000, 1,500. Forgot to mention the files for this. I believe, I don't remember, I believe it's 20 bucks. So if you pay $20 for the files, you know, maybe a spool. I think I used 2 spools, 2 big spools for the whole set, or 1.5. I don't remember, 1.5, 2 spools. And each spool is about $25, so that's 50. You're at less than $100, and then you got to buy the bolts. You know, the screws, if you have screws. I mean, like I said, when you download this, it gives you a list of what to buy to make this, to assemble this. So all in all, with paint, the screws, the bolts, the hardware, not the lights. I haven't done the lights yet, but I'm gonna put lights on here, but not the lights. I'm at 200-ish, $250, $200. So that is not bad for a trailer. And like I said, this is heavy. This right here, this section is wet with paint. I'm not gonna touch it, but right here, this is at least 2 pounds, maybe, or a pound, around there. Like I said, I'm not no professional, but I will put it on the scale to show you the weight of this. But I mean, you know, $300 you're gonna pay to assemble this the way you like it, paint you like it, and do lights, whatever you want, like it, and not pay, you know, $1,500, $800. So I just wanted to get, I forgot to mention that on the, you know, forgot to mention that earlier, so just want to keep that in mind. Okay, everybody, everything is painted, ready to put together. I'm waiting on some few parts, especially the rods. I got metal rods to put in there for support. I'm assuming that's what they're for. I'm about to start putting the axles in. This is how they are 3D printed. They go in simple. Notch right there. Notch in there. And for this support right here, to screw it onto there, because these 2 screws are for the fenders, mud flaps, whatever you want to call them, are these right here. Now, I think they're supposed to be replicas of airbags, shocks. I have no idea. I did not design this, like I said again. They go in there like that. Focus. Sorry, my hands. I was outside doing work, but there you go, right there. And here, let me put the camera on there real second. 1 second, real quick. Okay. I don't know if you could tell. So they go in like this. This is how they are printed individually. Put them in as so, and they mount like this. So this top goes to up here. These 2 go to the frame, the body of it. And like I said, it's not a shock or a spring. I mean, you can't even put oil in there, or I have no idea. That's how they were designed, like I said again. So, you know, ask the designer. I'm just putting it in how it is. We'll do that real quick and take it from there. Okay, gonna get the top part assembled real quick. This piece I painted gray already. Simple, very simple. Got the screws right here. Screws right here. Puts it in like that. Plate. Before you put this one on, you gotta get the where the hitch goes. Here's the pin. Put a pin in there. Put a screw in there first. Depending on how it's adjustable, put it on there first. Screw this on there first. Then you put it on here. I'm going to do that real quick. Very simple. And go from the next step. Alright, you guys. The front one is mounted. The plate and everything turned out good. Screws are a little exposed on top of there, but if you want to put a piece of wood or something on there to cover the screws, by all means, it'll probably look a lot better. I'm gonna mount the leg supports. Very simple construction. They came in like this. I just put in the screw right there. I'll show you why. Goes in simple. As you can see, locks. There's a little wedge in there when you want to stand up the trailer. Get what I'm saying? Very simple. These go in front of here as so. because this, I believe, goes on that, on the bottom of this middle section. So just want to let you guys know real quick. We'll get to that. Mount these, take it from there. All right, you guys. We are now going to. I'm going to attempt to do the ramp. It comes with this 3D printed part. Again, I painted it. It goes in through here, through the back. Demonstrate real quick. So it goes in with there. A metal rod goes right there. I haven't gotten it through the mail yet, but it is coming. And in theory, is what it's supposed to do right here. Okay. So already comes with these holes, pre-drilled holes already with the kit. When you purchase this, it tells you what hardware to buy and everything. It tells you to buy this motor. I have never used these before. I'm new to this. I have no idea how this works. Like I said, I'm here to experiment. No experience in that. It does come with this hardware. So here, let me put the camera up and I'll show you real quick. So and this goes in correct like this. Okay, as you can see, it'll come in and out. See that? So this motor or lift, whatever, goes in here. See the hole? See that? Drill it in there, and I'm assuming this is me. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but hold on, put it backwards. There you go. Okay. Put a screw in there to hold this bracket, and now this bracket on this other side goes into those notches that I just showed y'all here. I'm about to put it up real quick. Give you a demonstration of what I'm talking about. Like so. See that? So I'm gonna fiddle with this real quick. I'm going to test it with the servo. I'm gonna just test it out, see if it'll, how it'll work. I'm not gonna screw anything yet. Just want to test it and show you guys here in a bit. All right, you guys. Motor is mounted. I tested it briefly. Put it in the last hole. As you saw, there was 3, so I put it in the last hole. Put ball bearings. Jesus, camera. Put ball bearings inside the axles. In the description, it tells you what type. Other than that, we're getting there, you guys. Slowly but surely. Next up, I think I'm gonna do this some other day. I'm waiting for the rods to come in so I could put all this together, start putting some lights in these little holes right here on the side of the skirts, and take it from there. I'm just waiting for right now. I'm not waiting for parts at the moment. So far so good, you guys. What you guys think? Not the best, but I think it'll look fine. Alright, we got some parts that just came in, actually yesterday, but I've been busy working. These are the rods that go in, these two right there, I guess for the supports. Also had this threaded rod. I already cut it to length. I didn't film it because, just cutting a rod. So I'm going to slide that in there, put the ramps in, slide it in there, do that real quick. I'm going to try to attempt to... I don't have a tool in this man cave to cut this at the moment, so I might do that tomorrow. I have it in my garage or my mini barn, but I'm gonna do that right now. See what else I can do, because I got multiple parts came in already. Take it from there. Okay, put the metal bar in there for the ramps. Just put some wire in there for now, just temporarily. Run the motor for a little bit. Just what I can, nothing special. Right now I'm putting in the rod. I think these are 7mm rods. Excuse this one. Simple, just all you gotta do is jam it in there with the hammer, you know, until it goes all the way through. I put a little Sharpie mark right here just to make sure I don't damage it all, or I don't, you know what I'm saying, hit it too far and you know, overshoot it. I'm gonna do it with the same one here. Just put it in there, start tapping it with the hammer a little bit because it is a little tight. Then put the middle section in, and then I'll show you guys what I do with the front. Check it out, man. Oh, this looks good. So far, so good. Ran up into a few hiccups. The bar going from in there, I shoved it in way too far. So I'll show you guys here in a bit. But it looks good. It looks really, really good. In my opinion, so far so good. Look at that. Axles are in. Bearings are in. I'm probably gonna start doing the lighting now. Just waiting on the tires to go on these and the rims. I'm also waiting for the rods. I only have one. I don't know why I didn't think of ordering 2 more, you know, but just waiting on the tires, the 2 rods, but I do have the lights. But yeah, man, I mean, what do you guys think? It looks not the best, again, no professional, but I do it for fun. I think it looks great. I mean, for my first 3D print trailer, ain't bad. That's what I had to do right there. It already came with these 2 notches, so I put long thin screws, so they're like probably up to here. See the little the metal rods were supposed to come out right there, and I was supposed to put a nut, but they're like up to here. I mean, you know, I mean, I try to push it down. It's real sturdy, so hopefully it'll last. Let me know what you guys think. So far so good. Okay, this build is actually taking me quite a bit. You know, life and work and getting parts in, especially from overseas. It takes an eternity to get here. But I finally got the tires. Run through this real quick. You know, here are the rims, obviously 3D printed, painted already. These are the tires that I used. If you want to take note of that, for this trailer, for this size of rims, here are the tires already put in. I mean, looks good to me. I am working on another. This is actually a true lowboy trailer. Again, 3D printed. Same as the other one, metal rods in between the thing and just put together. This one came with better instructions, you know what I mean. But I will put a link to this one as well. This one, I had to 3D print the tires. They came alright. It's my first time 3D printing with TPU. So it's a little bit flexible. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's not. I mean, it's flexible, but you know what I mean. There is some probably that give more give than this. I mean, they came all right. I still got to take some stuff off, but they came out pretty decent. Other than that, right now I'm just putting on the axles for this one. I'm not gonna get into depth with this at all. I'm mainly doing that one. I will put these 2 for when they're fully completed in the video. When they're fully completed, right now I'm doing the axles, the tires, pretty good weight on them. So I'm gonna mount the tires into the rims. After that, I'm waiting on, again, parts. I'm waiting on the wireless electrical for the lights and all kinds of crap. So when I use the Tamiya Truck, you know, the turn signals and the running lights and all that crap. I don't know when it'll get here. Honestly, haven't checked. Maybe here soon, so I can finish this video, so I can, you know, show you guys everything, how it turned out. So I'm working on it. Bear with me, little by little, and we'll take it from there. All right, y'all. Tires and rims are put in. Real simple. 5mm threaded rod. cut it to length. I honestly forgot the length. It's about maybe it's roughly around there ish, give or take. Nuts are in, ball bearings are in. I'm gonna start putting in the fenders or skirts, or I don't know what they're called. You know what I'm talking about. Something like that. They get screwed on in there. The lighting kit came in. Unfortunately, I tried to connect it to the Tamiya MFC. Didn't read the instructions very well. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, when you see stuff, you're like, "Oh, really nice. Oh, look at that." You know, you buy it and then it doesn't work. It only works with the GT power supposedly. I don't know. I'm no professional. Like I said multiple times. But hey, I'll keep it just in case I need it. So I ordered. I saw a video. A guy from Hobby Concepts gets 2 receivers, pairs them together, makes the whole light kit system work with the FlySky remote. So I'm gonna wait for that to come in. Again, I'm always waiting for parts. Other than that, so I can get these lights put in and just get this project over with. And also this little boy. I also put in the tires. I know they look terrible. Bear with me. Put the wood deck down. You know, just use some basic balsa wood. Just cut it to the, I think it was 9 millimeters thickness. And just cut them, and just right now I just hot glued them, but I'm probably gonna put some little tiny screws to make it fit. But I mean, look at that. I mean, it looks nice, don't it? I am gonna do a 3D printed excavator at one point. I already ordered all the parts, so I'm just waiting for that to come. Especially when it comes from overseas, it takes forever to get here. I'm also gonna put lights on this one again. But now, again, I'm no professional, but weight-wise, when you put a little bit of flex, I mean, there is I don't know if you can see that right there. You see that right there? This layer goes on that side. It's like I don't know how to explain it to you guys really, but you can see it from there. It like overlaps each other. So I might put a screw right there, right through there, so it just won't flex so much. You know what I mean? Maybe once I really screw these in, it might not do that. But this side's pretty sturdy. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, you could put some weight in there, but I mean, this is 3D printed. It's not metal, so I mean, I kind of figured. Yeah, I mean, we'll wait for parts and keep on going with it. All right, y'all. Real quick, like I said before, there's this guy in another channel. His name is Hobby Concepts. I will put the link into his channel. He puts a wireless set for the lights and the trailer. One thing he didn't mention, maybe a lot of people I've seen in the comments, I was using, come on camera, there you go. I was using this receiver, trying to bind 2 receivers of these at the same time, doing his same method. It didn't work. See, I have this remote FS16X, and I was using this receiver. Saw a few people in the comments saying that this, once you bind with one, you try to bind the other one, it doesn't work. It will kick the other one out. So I saw somebody said, I think actually himself, I forgot his name. He said to get these. So this one doesn't have the B in it, so it's FS1A6 only, not the B. So you guys get, if you want to do the wireless, you know, run this at the same time with the lights, so they can coordinate with the same, you know, when they turn. You know what I mean? And look, see right here, no cables, no cables whatsoever. It's all wireless. The turn signal. Look, you see that? Look at that. So just letting you guys know, if you guys want to do the lights, I got the light kit already here on my hand, so I'm gonna start wiring this one, and I'm also gonna start wiring the red one back there. But I just wanted let you guys know, just to be clear, and don't make the same mistake I did. Don't get these. I mean, they're good, but you can't pair them at the same time. You can only pair these at the same time. This right here. So see, I got one there and one there. No cables in between. All wireless. So this is fantastic. I'm excited. We're gonna start doing these the lights and take it from there. All right, everyone. It's been a couple, maybe I say 2 months. I apologize. I've been taking so long. Just life gets in the way. Long story, but I'm not gonna film the wiring part. Unfortunately, I just got to move on to the next. I got to move on to other jobs, projects, or whatever. I did wire the little marker lights. I take this off. It's a complete wiring mess. But I just wanted to show you guys the final product. I'll put a link in the description of a guy that does this. He'll show you how to wire the lights and everything. As I mentioned before, the channel is called Hobby Concepts, I believe. Good guy. He knows how to put everything together with the wiring. So if you guys want to watch that real quick, but I just wanted to show you guys the, I guess, final product in a way. Next to the semi truck, I might record a quick little video of it, you know, trailing behind it. But yeah, guys, bear with me. I do apologize. I don't do this for a living. I got a job. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video real quick. I am not going to record this one. I didn't really like it. Didn't turn out so good. As you can see, I put weight in it and it sags. I don't know if you guys can see the, you know, the bending or whatever. It's got rods in it and everything, but I don't know. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that one. Just wanted to recap on that one. What happened about, you guys asked me about that one. What happened about that one? So there it is, you guys. I am building a 3D printed excavator. Right now I'm building it. Parts take forever to get here, so it's gonna probably take another while. But I am probably gonna buy another. I'm gonna buy another excavator, same scale, 1/14 scale, but this one's 3D printed. The other one's just gonna buy something from Amazon, and I'm gonna compare the two. So you know, long story, but we'll take it from there. And anyways, yeah, let me record one short video. And again, bear with me, guys. Appreciate y'all's patience. And it looks good to me. I ain't gonna lie. It's really heavy, super heavy trailer. I mean, I put weight in there and it doesn't even bow or, you know, sag or anything. Super heavy. I like this one. I don't know if the excavator is gonna fit, to be honest, because look at that. It's about, look at that, maybe an inch off. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep looking online for a nice low boy or a trailer to put an excavator on. So far I just did this one. And again, you guys, thank you guys for supporting me. And you know, I'm no professional, I'm just a hobbyist. I do this for fun. Hope you guys you know, join the hobby too. You know, it's good time, good, you know, it's fun for me, and you learn a lot and learn from the mistakes. So thank you guys.